we bring you the most hilarious and adorable moments of our furry friends. Get ready to laugh, smile, and fall in love with the funniest animals on the internet. Join us for a wild ride full of joy and entertainment. A match of both physical and metaphorical hand-to-hand combat between two cats with no end in sight. Just take the plunge into the lake already. Did you really have to make us laugh so hard? That cat's reaction was perfect. I can't stop laughing at how it bounced into the water. Looks like this dog's beauty game is on point. Even lady dogs must be swooning over him. I can't wait to see the next installment of Pirates of the Caribbean featuring Jack Meow and his hilarious crew. No. We should bring an extra set of clothes when taking our dogs to the beach, unless we want to wear ripped-up bikinis like a fashion statement. What's more delightful than bathing in a pool and playing with balls on hot summer days, right guys? Just don't forget to bring your swimsuit. We have some spectators here. A professional acrobat cat ready to perform. The cats are either having a friendly greeting or preparing for an epic battle, who knows? Seems like this cat's jumping ability has been greatly exaggerated in our imagination. NANI? Let's buckle up for the no-laugh challenge. While watching this video of a dog interacting with a talking toy that mimics human voices. The dog's feet have caught the scent of food. They're bouncing like crazy. I feel so comfortable being massaged.
Good. That's good. Very good.
Looks like our furry friends know how to relax. And have a good time, too. I think the only way to go swimming without getting wet is to follow the two dogs in this video. Manicure, pedicure, skincare. That's all we need to do today. Short legs, big heart, and a whole lot of inconvenience. The struggle is real for our little furry friends. The game of hide and seek just got an upgrade for our furry friends. Disappear into a pile of leaves and watch the confused and hilarious reactions of your dog. This dog has got its priorities straight: exercise, even while taking a leisurely stroll. I think this dog forgot that he's a dog, not a fish who can swim around and catch prey. The interface was cool until the dog turned around, and I couldn't help but laugh. Does my face resemble that of someone who cares? Seems like the barking debate among these dog friends is getting more intense. I wonder when this woof war will ever end. Wow, that cat is the king of balance. the destroyer of the banana growing discipline. Anyone here help me? Choking to death.
Ow!
No.
Come play on the slide bridge with me, everyone. Looks like this dog is all wrapped up in love for their owner. This cat is sacrificing balance for the love of food. Curiosity may have killed the cat, but it also brings us endless amusement watching their hilarious mishaps. Come on, you the cat friends. Try to pretend to be friendly with each other's opponent. Do we really need to flaunt and show off our long legs to mesmerize those cats before hitting the beach like this? Seems like we've got a recipe for infinite entertainment. One mischievous cat and a balloon tied to its tail. Looks like this kitty's about to have a boxing match. Mayweather. Wow, that's a big yawn. That dog must be having a sweet dream about endless bones, huh?
Preview.
Looks like our dog may have spotted the prey from afar, but forgot that he doesn't know how to swim.
Good. That's good. Very good. Very good. Good.
You're laughing while my face looks like I'm about to cry?
Oh my god.
Well, that's certainly one way to avoid a crappy situation. Thanks for watching our video about funny animals on Top 4Y channel. We hope you enjoyed the hilarious moments and amazing antics of these adorable creatures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more entertainment.